Love, so today we're going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription. So we're just gonna jump in and we're gonna show you what came in this month's box. This is the April box. I'm pretty excited to see. I popped it open just so I was ready. I did peek a little bit, but there's always teasers, so you guys probably already know what's in here anyway. But as always, if you do want to try out Boxycharm, I do have an affiliate link down below where you can just let them know that I sent you. It is an affiliate link, so just keep that in mind. If you don't want to use it, totally cool, obviously, but if you want to, it just helps me out a little bit. So yeah, it's down below. Let's just jump in. And of course, please subscribe if you have not already. We are trying to do videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Subscribe button down below, hit the bell, notifications. All right, let's get into it. Here, first of all, cutest theme ever, eye candy. This is adorable, adorable. So we're just gonna go through the products in the list that they have them on here, and I'm gonna show you what I got in this month's box. I love that they have this because it enables me to add up the products and let you know what the value of this box is. And yeah, so again, this box costs $21 a month. And it's almost always at least $100 in value. The first product is a Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter. So we are going to pop this guy open. I really like Tarte products. It's rare that I'm ever really disappointed in a Tarte product. Mine's an exposed. This retails for $29. $29. So here, let me show you the packaging up close. Very cute. We're gonna swatch it. There. I feel like I have a mini of this somewhere. I'm not sure where, but I don't think I've actually tried it on my face. It's really pretty. I'm assuming this is the lightest one. I vaguely remember it being the lightest one. Really beautiful. Let me kind of blend it out. That's really pretty. It's really pretty. I'm excited to try that underneath. Of course, I would use it as like a highlighter base. I wonder how it would look with Strobe Globe. It's very similar in tone, kind of light gold. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Okay. Look at that. Blinding. Yes, I love using cream highlighters as a base for a powder highlight. And I think using a cream highlighter for a base for like a loose powder highlight is even better. Again, this one's Strobe Globe by ColourPop. This is clearly not in the box, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like and what I would use it for. Man, that's beautiful. Blinding. Look at that. Bam. So the next thing in here, I am not going to actually open up. I'm going to show you guys that and I'll open it, but I'm not going to swatch it or anything because I do own this palette. I'm not sure where it's at the moment, but I want to be able to leave this fully intact because I'm probably going to throw this in that ColourPop giveaway or give it to one of my friends because, you know. But this is the Semi-Precious palette from ColourPop. I love this palette. It's beautiful. If you guys do want to see this palette in a tutorial or anything, just let me know because I do have it. So this retails for $26. This is a much more pricey ColourPop palette. The pans are much larger. These are every single one is kind of metallic in there. So they're really high pigment payoff. They are beautiful. They work really great, wet or dry. I wish I could swatch these for you. I'm sorry that I don't know where that palette is. And the thing with this is a lot of people are getting different ColourPop palettes in their boxes. So I know I've seen people get the Yes Please palette. I know the My Little Pony palette's coming to some people. If you get Boxycharm, let me know down below which one you got. But I just don't want to taint this one because I want to give it away. So I feel bad. I don't want to like put my fingers in the pans or anything. That's beautiful. I'm a huge fan of ColourPop pressed shadows and their palettes. So again, that one retails for $26. The next thing in here I'm actually super excited about. Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. I'm hoping that this is gonna be, is this a peel off? No, you just wipe it off. I was hoping it was a peel off mask because that would be really cool to just like put it on and clear those pores. It just says this award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. I'm definitely gonna try this guy around my nose because that is my most oily area. And I just started using my Clarisonic again. And as soon as I started using it, I noticed that I was getting little bumps around my nose because it kind of purges your skin, and I feel like this is going to help get all of that oil out. So I'm excited to try this. Dr. Brandt products are super pricey. I know you can buy Dr. Brandt products at Sephora. I'm not sure if they are at Ulta, but let's see. It says it retails for $47. $47. It's more than twice the cost of this box right here. This one product. I would never probably spend that on this product, to be real with you. If I do spend a lot of money, it will be on skincare, but not usually on a mask. There's so many good affordable masks out there. So I'm super excited to try this. If I try it and it's amazing, then yes, I will purchase it again. But that's what I love about Boxycharm is I get to try all these products that I otherwise would not have tried. Ooh, this is the Brow Gal Instant Brows. What are you called? Instant Tinted Brow Gel. I think I was watching the actual Boxycharm Instagram stories and they were using this and it looked really cool. It's got like little, it's supposed to have little fibers in there. My brows are intense today, girl. I don't normally fill them in all the way to the front, but I was using something new. And this one is in Brown Hair 2, which is kind of perfect. Oh, I just realized I didn't even put on a brow gel. So this is perfect. I love how thin this is. And I do like that it's not like overloaded with product. Like there's enough product on there to brush through your brows, but not so much that it's going to overdo it. It's crazy. Like this is the perfect. I'm using the Freedom Brow Pomade and Taupe in my eyebrows right now. And this is like a perfect match. I like it. I'm a fan. I totally got off. I was too excited to actually try this product. So this retails for $22. Let me see if I can show you the little tiny little brush. Look at that. Yes, please. I'm gonna put this right in my makeup bag because I'm excited to use it. All right, and the last product looks like a liquid lipstick. This is Adesse, I think. A-D-E-S-S-E, Adesse. High definition liquid lipstick. This retails for $24. I'm gonna be real with you. When I opened it, I ripped off the top and I don't know if that had the name on it or not. I don't see the name anywhere on here. I'm really sorry, but I don't see any sort of name on the packaging, but this is what the packaging looks like. And of course we'll swatch it. The color looks really beautiful. It looks like one that I would actually really enjoy. Oh, it smells really good. This is what it looks like. So it's definitely glossy. I think it's more of a glossy liquid lipstick instead of like a matte liquid lipstick, which I'm probably more of a fan of. I mean, I do like wearing matte lips like I'm wearing right now, but then I put a gloss over it when it gets too like tightening because I don't like for it to be too drying on my lips. So again, this guy retails for $24. So now we are going to add up the cost of this box. All right. Okay. So the Tarte highlight is $29 plus the ColourPop eyeshadow palette for $26. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More mask is $47. The brow tint is $22 and the liquid lipstick is $24. So that equals a retail value of $148. And then I always minus the cost of the actual box and you're getting $127 extra product, extra value. That's crazy. That's crazy. This is one of the more nicely priced Boxycharms that I've gotten. I've gotten them anywhere from like right at $100 up to $200. This is a really good like extra value box. This is a really good one. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't swatch that ColourPop palette. Yeah, I think that's everything. Please let me know what you guys think down below. Do you love Boxycharm? Boxycharm is my favorite beauty subscription. And that's why I continue to get it. So yeah, again, that affiliate link is down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And again, there should be videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. So please subscribe if you have not already. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. And I will talk to you soon. Bye. Sent you it is affiliate. Can't speak. I know you can buy them at Ulta. I mean, sorry. I'm going to wipe this off before I get it on my shirt, just like I've gotten everything else on my shirt today. Tiny kittens, why are you crazy? Excuse me. That was not even an intentional burp at all. It just kind of snuck up through my belly.